The event attracted people from all walks of life, among whom is the state governor, Dagburewe. The governor, in his speech, said His Royal Highness Yinusa Adekoya was a man of integrity who played a vital role in the development of the state during his lifetime.
Baba served the people of Bodu local government. Baba served the Ijebu land. Baba served the Ogun State. Baba served Nigeria. Baba was a distinguished ambassador of his state.
In a sermon, the chief imam of Idowu, Imam Malik Shile Rufai, enjoined the gathering to live a life worthy of emulation. Imam Rufai, who said death is an inevitable end to every creation, urged everyone to always prepare for Al-Jannah. Friends and families eulogized the late Dagburewe.
He has been a father and a lover of the present government of the day. The notice of his death came to us as a road shock, and I pray God Almighty should grant his soul a perfect rest.
His vacuum is still vacant. They don't know who can step into that shoes. But we are praying that the Lord will give our father Ijebu, that's the Awujale, the grace to be able to appoint another person that will be taking that duty on his behalf.
The late Dagburewe of Idowa, Yinusa Adekoya, died at the age of 87.